So hello everyone, welcome back once again to our channel Professor Rahul Ki Modern Pachana, and let's go through lots of job opportunities and mainly part-time and internship opportunities this time. I hope so आपका दिवाली बहुत ही खुशहाल रहा हो and you have enjoyed a lot in your Diwali vacation. So let's get back on track on your career and let's associate ourselves with education, literacy, lots of job profiles and opportunities जो market में जो industry में अभी आए हैं after the Diwali vacations or you can say the Diwali period and lockdown open होने के बाद. Okay, this is the disclaimer of this channel that you can read. मैं जब जब बहुत सारे जॉब ओपनिंग्स आ जाते हैं मेरे पास तब तब ऐसे रिकॉर्डिंग के थ्रू आपके पास आता हूँ so that मैं मैक्सिमम पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन से आपके साथ कवर अप कर पाऊँ. So me, a faculty of a reputed institute, College of Mumbai, I'm back again with lots of job opportunities and vacancies this time. आप ये पर्टिकुलर वीडियो को उन जरूरतमंद लोगों तक पहुंचाइए, people who are looking for jobs, who are struggling to get a job or who are looking for a good changeover or a switch over into some other company or maybe industry. So this is the first job opening of Aditya Birla Group Pantaloons. आपने जरूर सुना होगा with the it's a reputed brand. They are mainly looking for people for internship. This is mainly for those students who wish to learn something and get some corporate exposure. So 3 months का exposure, you can say experience आपको मिलेगा on field, that is in their retail outlets in Pantaloons. You need to be an graduate or an undergraduate is also okay. This internship is for 3 months, full-time internship है. That is from morning 11 a.m. to evening around 7-8 p.m. and it is unpaid. The email ID is given here, you can apply. बहुत सारे जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज आज शेयर करूंगा यहाँ पे जो पार्ट टाइम होंगे, फुल टाइम होंगे, कुछ वर्क फ्रॉम होम होंगे क्योंकि जाहिर सी बात है क्वाइट ऑब्वियस थिंग दैट लॉकडाउन ओपन हो रहा है तो थोड़े वर्क फ्रॉम होम कम होते हुए नजर आएंगे. द नेक्स्ट जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज इज द कंपनी इज लुकिंग फॉर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट हैविंग 1 to 2 years of experience in GST and taxation role. The firm is at Khar, Mumbai. The email ID is given, you can apply. And the next vacancy in this particular slide itself is for a CA, company secretary. One is the requirement, the position at Mahalakshmi. Rooptech Limited is the company, a BSC listed company. Okay, now this is, the company is based at Ahmedabad. Okay, freshers may apply. Mahalakshmi Rooptech is the company name. And the email ID is given here. The next job opening is at PwC. आपने सुना होगा this comes under big 4 CA firms, PricewaterhouseCoopers. They are mainly looking for statutory audit profile candidates, 0 to 7 year experience, and you can see the location that has been given here: Kolkata, Gurgaon, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, and Mumbai. The email ID is given here. You can apply very soon. मेरा email ID डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है और हर वीडियो के एंड में मैं हाईलाइट करता हूँ. अगर आपको मुझे CC में रखना है, you want to keep me in loop, you can keep and then email them, otherwise not compulsory. The next is Temenos. The company is looking for candidates who are BCom graduate, MCom, MBA, CAs, accountants, SSC finance, etc. Reporting is at Chennai. The details are given here and the links are shared. You can apply through them. The next job opening is the company is looking urgently for an accountant in Andheri location, also PHP, web developer, real estate, into broking firm, stenographer, marketing personnel, etc. This is a consultancy firm. I know Mr. Swapnil Khade personally and therefore you can apply through the given email ID. बहुत सारे आपके दोस्त कलीग्स होंगे जो ऐसे पोजीशंस के लिए रुके हैं, प्लीज उन तक ये जॉब पहुंचाइए. आप ये स्लाइड का स्क्रीनशॉट लेके अपने स्टेटस पे रख सकते हैं, आई डोंट माइंड, बट डू नॉट यूज दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो और द कंटेंट ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर चैनल और दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो कमर्शियली. पैसों के लिए मत यूज कीजिए, बट जितना सर्कुलेट करना है आपको, जहां पोस्ट करना है, यू कैन circulate the good part and create a good message for the society that as we are doing it free of cost, let you be a part of it and support this social cause. The next job opening is in Ujjwal Bharat News Channel, which is a Meera Bhayandar Mumbai mass media company. They are looking for interns who can do some reporting work for them, can have hands-on experience into writing work and so on. So if you are interested into mass media field, do apply and get started. The next is a company is looking for chartered accountant. The company is operating since 2001 at BKC, Bandra Kurla Complex, Mumbai. Here are the details. 10 to 15 years of experience चाहिए, 1 साल forensic audit का experience चाहिए, 15 से 20 लाख per annum package है, and therefore you can go through the details and apply. The next opening is for real estate calling and sales job. If you are interested in such jobs and you think that आप SSC हो, HSC passed हो, 10-12 passed हो, फिर भी आपको जॉब चाहिए, जरूरत है to support your family financially, या कुछ issues है, financial crunch है, monetary issues है घर पे, you can apply and get through some experience. Yes, This particular job is looking for graduate as qualification, but still if you are pursuing graduation, you can give a call and just apply. The next opening is in Empire IT Systems Private Limited. The details are here. It is field sales representative they are looking for, and they will support in making your career. They will support you in the work. एक स्टेप तो लीजिए. मैं मोस्टली कैंडिडेट्स, स्टूडेंट्स एंड प्रोफेशनल्स के लिए ये जॉब वीडियो हमेशा शेयर करता हूं और आपसे रेफरेंसेस शेयर करता हूं. बाकी हमेशा आप उसका वेरिफिकेशन अपने साइड से भी करोगे, पढ़े लिखे लोगों से और सीनियर सिटीजन्स, एक्सपीरियंस लोगों से बात करोगे, देन अप्लाई करोगे. डू नॉट पे एनी कंपनी एनी अमाउंट. वी डोंट चार्ज and we don't expect anyone to charge from our channel also. The next is part-time interns. Aditya Birla Fashion is looking for. The details are here. If you're interested, do apply. This particular organization is also looking for full-timers also. So if you're a graduate and if you're looking for a full-time job in marketing, do apply in the given same email ID to Bimla Vishwakarma madam. I'm personally in contact with ma'am, so you can apply. But if you are eligible, then only you will get a call. The next is Monal Capital. It is hiring. It's a boutique investment bank and it is looking for associate investment banker with around 1 year experience. Candidates between Dadar to Bhinder can apply. The next is vacancy in KPMG in Mumbai. आपने सुना ही होगा, Big Four CA firm. They are looking for positions in audit, 1 to 5 years of experience they are looking for, and the profile is into indirect tax, corporate tax, transfer pricing, etc. You can apply in the given email ID. The next job opening is for requirement of CS trainings. Company secretary in a PCS firm based in Kalbadevi, Mumbai. Candidates interested can apply. Okay. Next is requirement for qualified CA. Freshers will do. BCom, MBA freshers, experienced accountants, articles in reputed CA firm in Jayanagar, Bangalore. If you're interested and if you can relocate yourself, you can apply for this. Also, Edelweiss, the stock broking firm, the finance firm is looking for institutional etiquettes research. They are mainly looking to hire research associates, CA, MBA finance, etc. If interested, can apply. I remember I had applied while my MBA days as an intern in this particular firm and had got through. The next is in the Villeparle Andheri branch. Next is hiring chartered accountant. The company is looking for freshers, 5 to 6 CA freshers who can join immediately in credit role of Yes Bank. Location है either Mumbai or Ahmedabad. The email ID is given. You can apply very soon. The next is deputy manager finance company है Wipro. Location है Kolkata. Qualification CA, chartered accountant or masters in business administration. Details are given. Please read it and do apply in the given link. Through the given link. The next is internal audit profile. There are multiple vacancies in GRCS practice KPMG. Again, qualified CAs for internal audit can apply. Email ID दिया गया है. थोड़ा फास्ट जा रहा हूँ ताकि मैं maximum positions, maximum job openings कम से कम time आपका लेके share करूँ. The next opening is for CA, CFA, MBA finance. They are looking for financial advisors in a firm. Mainly for this particular positions: investment banking, merchant banker, business development, fundraising, IPO executions, initial public offering, and analyst. email ID दिया है, तुरंत अप्लाई कीजिए. The next is Vigor Launchpad job description. Particularly मैं इनको highlight करूंगा क्योंकि Mr. Pravas is in contact with me who has sent this job opening personally to me and has clearly mentioned only graduate candidates will apply. And apart from that, compulsory criteria जो नीचे दिया गया है, the candidate needs to be active, smart, energetic. Candidates who have worked for college fest, NSS team में काम किया, extra curricular activities में काम किया, communication marvelous है, professional है, personality अच्छा carry कर लेते, street smart है, decent with communication and so on. Because they work with big brands like Whistling Woods, Fast Track, Titan, Pearl Academy, HP, and so on. Therefore, they are looking for smart candidates. So they have network all over India, pan India. So if you are looking for work in any locations in events, campaigns, etc., then only apply. The details are here. So you can soon apply and you can share with your friends, your colleagues. You can do this only if you are graduate. Okay. The next is hiring for candidate in indirect tax. The details are here. Okay. Just let me put a correction here. Indirect tax में ये profile नहीं है. Sterling calling num. The telesales responsibilities are mentioned here. This company is looking for people into contacting potential or existing customers to inform them about their product scripts, answering questions about their products or the company, asking questions to understand customer requirements, and then closing sales deal. So mainly this is a telesales kind of job. If you're looking for the same, then you can apply on the given number. The next is urgent hiring for inside sales specialist. The details are here. The package is here. एक्सपीरियंस मेंशन किया है, एज लिमिट नंबर मेंशन है, यू कैन अप्लाई. शी इज वन ऑफ माय ex student in previous college, so very known and close person. So some people, when I know them personally, it gives me assurance that I can share with you openly and help you out there with some guarantee. Openings for phone banking officer, bank payroll. ये जो मोबाइल नंबर लास्ट में मेंशन किया, दिस इज ऑफ मिस्टर राज, whom I again know personally, whom I am in contact for some job openings. They also run an NGO and they provide free jobs without charging a single penny. So I'm tied up with them and I'm helping you with some job assistance. This is one criteria, but he has n number of job openings all over Mumbai. So if you're looking for any job opening in relation to BCom, BMS, BAF, CS, IT, whatever, in whichever field, except engineering and pharmaceutical, he can help you with some of the other job assistance. The next is companies looking for recruiters in Mumbai. Email ID दिया है, do apply. Okay, so this hiring is for a recruiter. The next hiring comes out for vacancy कम है यहाँ पे, only 1 or 2, post of accountant. Details are given here. R Surekha and company Mumbai, GST accounts audit handle करना है, CA Inter, MCom, BCom, MBA can apply. The details are here. You can apply on the given email ID. The next is opening for head finance and inventory. Experience काफी चाहिए. Package भी 20 से 40 लाख का है. Mumbai based job है. And the email ID is given here. You can apply. I'm going again little faster. Head finance and inventory Mumbai. 1 to 5 years experience in accounts, MIS, Bangalore job location. Email ID is here. Do apply. Also, the job location provides you facility in Mumbai. The next is CA fresher who can join immediately for finance and accounts profile. Mumbai job location. Email ID is mentioned here. Do apply. The next is if you are a fresher and you are looking for a job as a chartered accountant, CPA, ACCA, MBA, BCom, MCom, BMS, BPA, then there are positions. So the details are here for statutory audit, designation, profile, internal audit, finance, tax, mergers and acquisition, and so on. Experience of fresher will do. Email ID is here. You can apply. The next is ENY Mumbai in transaction tax department is looking for fresher chartered accountants. Email ID दिया है jyoti.agarwal करके. You can apply there. The next is a renowned now out something out of Mumbai also. I always share like Bangalore, Gujarat, Chennai, UP, राजस्थान, जहां जहां पे जॉब्स पॉसिबली मिलते हैं मैं शेयर करता हूं आपसे. अ रिनाउंड पब्लिक स्कूल in Rohini, New Delhi requires music vocal teacher. The details are mentioned here. Email ID number you can apply. Again, a leading public school in Basti, UP requires trained graduate teacher in English. Details are given. Eligibility mention किया, salary mention किया, apply कीजिए, accommodation दे रहे हैं. Next is a play school chain in Ghaziabad requires center head. Details are here. Please read it and then apply. A renowned play school chain in Gurgaon requires parent relationship officer as well. Again, details are here. Salary, eligibility, responsibility, contact details. तुरंत apply कीजिए if you are interested. Then a Mumbai-based job requires administrative staff, telecallers, professors, interns, and counselors for beyond school academy and beyond preparation. So prep, उनका company name है. Interested people do apply in the given number 83697599193. And you can reach out to them. The company is based at Mira Road, Mumbai. A renowned public school in Gurgaon, NCR requires primary teacher, eligibility, salary, and details are mentioned to apply very soon. And coming to the end, a renowned public school in Kashganj, UP requires primary teacher, mother teacher. Details are given, do apply. Last but not the least, opening for accounts and after sales executive at Mira Road. Qualification graduate, undergraduate will do. Eligibility is here, tally, MS, Excel, English fluency, accounts, सब कुछ चाहिए. ये सारे चीजें चाहिए. If you are interested, do apply. HR's number Shraddha is given. She is in contact with me. We know each other. So you can apply through this many jobs that I have shared on this channel every week or at least once in 2 weeks, whatever and maximum possible jobs which we can get, genuine jobs enough. मैं आपको कभी भी ये चैनल पे ऐसे जॉब्स नहीं दूंगा. मैंने देखा काफी जगह पे ऐसे जॉब्स दिए जाते हैं, ये वेबसाइट है, ये है, आप जाके अप्लाई कीजिए, ये है. नो, we believe in directly providing you the HR's email ID or the company's email ID जहां पे you can coordinate, communicate directly. आपको लिंक दूंगा, आपको वेबसाइट में जाने बोलूंगा, वो आप भी कर लोगे easily. So we have taken a different approach of this social cause. Do support us in this. Thanks for watching this video till the end and supporting us always. Also, I thank the students who support our channel always and the candidates who support us. Also, thank you for writing to us always and congratulations for those people जिनको week on week, back to back कहीं ना कहीं jobs मिल रहे हैं या कुछ ना कुछ assistance हमारे through मिल रहा है. We feel glad, happy and proud that very soon in the coming week, that is on 26th November, on my birthday, we are going to complete 1 year of this channel, and within a year we have received n number of thanking mails, and we have crossed 1100 plus subscriptions. That's great, and credit for the same goes to you people who have supported me in this particular social cause and made me realize that this was ki ye zarurat tha, this was the need of the hour in this point of time. We just started because we had a good corporate tie-up and a good network. वो इतना बेहतर चलेगा और आपका इतना सपोर्ट मिलेगा और हम इतना अच्छा कर पाएंगे, we did not think, and therefore we are taking it ahead that very soon we will come out with a job portal website like Naukri, Monster and Shine, who are already doing good, but we will have a human touch directly, candidate touch, so that we can help at the ground level to get him or her a very good aspired job. So do give your feedback on the email ID that is mentioned there, Rahul Mukherjee V 27@gmail.com. And one important thing that I always mention, that do verify all the jobs from your end also once. Do not pay anyone. किसी को हमारे चैनल के थ्रू अगर आपको कोई रेफरेंस के थ्रू जॉब इंटरव्यू कॉल आता है, आप अपने साइड से वेरीफाई करके पेरेंट्स से पूछ के फिर जाएंगे. और इसके अलावा आप एक काम करोगे कि आप किसी को हमारे चैनल से अगर आपसे कोई पैसा मांग रहा है तो हम उनसे टाइड अप नहीं है इन टर्म्स ऑफ एनी मॉनेटरी ट्रांजैक्शंस. सो डोंट पे. आई वुड रिकमेंड, अगर कोई ऐसा है तो हमें मेल कीजिए कि सर दे आर आस्किंग फॉर मनी और समथिंग. We do not believe much into placement consultancies, but yes, the consultancies which I am tied up with, they may not ask you a single penny to give you a job. Okay, because उनके कुछ अलग प्रोफेशनल टाई अप्स होते हैं कंपनी के साथ. ठीक है, आपको आपका जॉब as per your deserving qualities, the job you deserve या जो एलिजिबिलिटी आप क्रैक कर पाते हो उसके हिसाब से आपको जॉब मिल जाएगा. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Do write us on the email ID if you're looking for a particular job. Do not send us resume or biodata. We won't be able to entertain. उतना time नहीं है because we are a team of faculties, lawyers, chartered accountants, CS, ICWS and so on, all professionals. We try to do this out of the way just to help the youth and to help the needy ones, because हमारे पास जब jobs है तो let's help others also who are looking for it. That's what we always believe. So that is our motto. Take care of yourself. हमें सिर्फ लिख सकते हैं कि आप ये क्वालिफाइड हो और आप ऐसा जॉब देख रहे हो, रेज्यूमे मत दीजिए. एंड टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ in this pandemic situation, because lockdown has opened up, but still we can't say if the situation again goes worse. With God's grace, we all are fine enough, and we would always pray that this continues. Bye bye everyone. Namaste दोस्तों, सत श्री अकाल और आदाब.